Greetings from Neighborhoodies World Headquarters in Dumbo, Brooklyn. David is working hard to eliminate lint today, so he couldn't be here. I'm Joel, the Love Captain, filling in. Today we're going to look at some exciting new products that Annika's been working on this past summer. Let's see what she's got.
We have these great new products for Neighborhoodies, designed by some young new talents, me. There's two different sizes and you can customize them. You can choose the color of the bag, obviously, then you can choose the color of your lining, and then you can even choose the color of your trimming at the edge. Isn't that great? They'll be on the website soon and you can choose all of this, and obviously your print on them and any graphics you want, or if you want to design your own graphics. Somebody very talented obviously designed that as well. There's the smaller one, which is good for when you're just going shopping or going out. You can put your wallet inside your phone and your iPod case. There's different colors of felt to choose from, and you get to choose your stitching. You can put your initials or any numbers on them, and, you know, not all just your iPod, you need your money as well. So we designed wallets like this.
That looks great. Now let's get a little perspective with our traveling friend Todd. And those are your morning announcements for today. Go forth and represent!